Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today I'm creating a fun and simple fall leaf resin coaster and tray set. So to begin with, I am starting off by mixing my resin. I'm using Mixed Media Girl Artist Resin. I put in part B first and then part A, and I mix these with equal parts A and B. Now, because I am pouring into a silicone mold and pouring a little deeper than intended for the resin, I do recommend preheating the resin, which will make it a little bit easier to get all of the air bubbles out. Once you have your resin in the cup, you want to stir for about 3 to 4 minutes. Scrape the sides, scrape the bottom, and just get it very well mixed. How much resin you need for your project will depend on the size of your molds and also if you're doing it in 1 layer or 2 layers. This particular project I'm going to be doing in 2 layers so that I can try to get the leaves fully covered. So I'm going to be using about 10 ounces or so today. I also added in just a tiny bit of the Polycolor Gold Dust, and this is just a really fine gold sparkle. Now I'm using these wooden leaves that I got from Michael's and they were on sale, which is awesome. So I'm starting off with putting a thin layer of the resin in my molds. And then I will be adding the leaves on top of that to create my design. You don't want to put the design in first because otherwise you can have some issues with air bubbles or pockets of air underneath the design. Use your stick to push the resin all the way out to the edges. You can let it self-level. This is just a little bit faster. And then remove your air bubbles with some 91% isopropyl alcohol. You can use a heat gun, but definitely don't use a torch with silicone molds or you can accidentally ruin the molds. So once I got the resin in, the air bubbles out, I just took some leaves and started putting them down to create my design. Keep in mind your handles are going to need to go in there, but I'm not too worried about that because I can kind of just push these aside a little bit and create a space for the handles. But I wanted something that was, aesthetically pleasing to me. I didn't want to fill the whole tray with the leaves, but I wanted to get some of each color in there. So I did a kind of a corner to corner design. And then I kept the coasters very simple with just a few leaves in them. Now I'm using these metal drawer pulls from Amazon, and these are gold because that I thought would be the best color to go along with this. And I kind of just shoved the leaves aside a little bit and made a little circle in the middle for the handle to go in, and I thought that just looked beautiful. Now that's it for the first layer. Spray it again to remove the air bubbles, and then just let it cure. I let it cure for about 24 hours, but that's not a hard, fast rule. You just need that resin to set so that you can pour the next layer in. I did leave it for about 24 hours, and then I added the next layer on top of that, which also has a little bit of gold dust in here. And my goal was to get the leaves completely covered. I actually was unsuccessful on the tray. There's a couple parts where the leaves stick out just a little bit, but not much. So it's not a big deal and not really noticeable. And it's by the handles, so it doesn't really affect it. All right, let that cure for another 24 hours and then go ahead and demold. And as you can see, these are pretty transparent, but you've got that golden sparkle in there. I think these are just really, really pretty. Just a really good addition to your fall decor and great for, holiday parties, Thanksgiving, or whatever. And it makes a great gift set, especially with the holidays coming up. So there you guys go. Hopefully you enjoyed this project. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.